Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for the GMAT. We have been solving GMAT math problems out of this book here, GMAT Review, the official guide, the 13th edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. The problem that we are about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 167. Today is our lesson number 113. Problem number 109 is what we're going to do, which is a very straightforward, simple problem. We are given a chart in problem number 109. If you turn to page 167, you will see that we are given a chart, a bar graph, with observations from 1990 to 2000. The very first thing we should do here is to actually count how many years there are. Don't just subtract one number from the other. Don't just go 2000 minus 1990. Count them physically and you will see that there are in fact 11 observations. There are in fact 11 observations. Which makes our life very easy because there are odd number of observations, 11 of them. To find the median is a pretty straightforward proposition now, because we have to find the 5 that are going to be that are going to lie to the left of the middle observation, the sixth observation, and then the 5 that are going to lie to the right of it. Now we're not interested in the top 5 observations. We're not going to waste our time looking at the top 5. We just have to locate the first 6. When we arrange them in order, we have to locate the first 6. And here are the observations. I will put down the numbers on the blackboard, approximate numbers. Looks like 1990 is 195, then we have 180, then we have 210, so that's 3 so far, 270 and 310. If you look at the chart here, the 1994 reaches 310, and after that, all the observations that we have after that are going to be above 310. If you look at the chart, you will see what I'm talking about. There are 5 of them and they are all above it. They look like something like this. There's one right here, the one a little bit above it, another one that is very close to it, that's 3 so far. Then we have one that falls right there, and then we have one more here. So these five that you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we're not interested in them because they are all above 310. So if we're going to arrange them in order, they are of no interest to us. These 5 observations are of no interest to us. The only thing that we have to pay attention to is the fact that the very last observation is actually a very low one, which happens to be. So from 95 to 99, all of these observations are above 310. We have already reached 310, they are all above 310. And since we are interested in median, anything that falls above this thing, we are already up to 5. We just have to locate one more. And that's the very last one, except the very last one, the year 2000, when it is 260. So you arrange that this is 260 here. So now we arrange them. Here's your first one. And even arranging part we don't have to worry about. We just have to locate the 6th observation. And this is 260, so let's arrange them very quickly here if you like. Oh, they already arranged here. 1, this is a very low one, 91, you see, 91 is 180. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is the 5th one. Make sure you don't miss one. The reason, of the people who will get this question wrong, the reason is this one. They're going to miss the very last one. Not because the problem is very difficult. The problem is actually very simple, very straightforward. You just have to pay the attention. So that's your 5th observation, and the 6th one that's going to fall right in the middle is 1994, right there, which happens to be 310. And the question was, what's the median? The answer is, the median is 310. 310. And here is your chart one more time, right here, 1994, which is 310. 1, 2, let me do it here so I don't come in the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then don't miss the 5th one right there, 5th, and then the 6th one. The 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th, we are not interested in them because they are all above 310. And that's all there is. The median they're looking for, which happens to be 1994, which is 310. That's all there is. Alright? I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.